Hi guys, I'm Dave Krugman. I am a photographer and the founder of ALLSHIPS, a creative community here in Brooklyn, and I'm also the photography mentor for the Avaissance program. I'm going to take you through a 5-course series about everything I taught to my students in the Avaissance program. Today's class is called Foundations, and it's all about connecting our evolutionary psychology into our modern-day digital age. By understanding the ancient genetic programming that we went through in our environment of evolution and connecting it to the way that social media works and communities work in today's modern age, I think we can develop a tremendous advantage in these digital social spaces. One foundational thing to realize is that community is the root of all value. Money, tokens, goods, all of this stuff is just a way for us to exchange value across communities. And if you really want to build a valuable community, you got to make sure that you're pouring a lot of energy into that kind of social battery. And then in your moment of need, that's a battery that you can extract energy from. So if you spend 365 days a year, each day you help one person, in that one day where you might need a little support, say you're launching an art project or something like that, everybody will remember that you helped them, and then they can concentrate their attention towards you, and you can be elevated by their efforts as well. And that's what community is all about, and that's why there's so much value intrinsically stored in our communities. Long before a project launch, long before any announcements, the first thing that we need to be doing is laying the foundations for a strong and robust community. That means putting a lot of effort in, it means being helpful, it means listening, it means adding value. And there's so many different ways that we can add value to our communities. It doesn't mean that you have to pour money into your community. You can pour energy into your community, you can pour effort, you can write articles about people, you can host events, you can participate in conversations, you can share art, you can be a curator. It really takes a village, and we need every component to make healthy artistic ecosystems. And so when we talk about building foundations for artists, I think the most important thing to do is to focus on that core community and make sure that by the time you're ready to launch and put your precious ideas out into the world, there is a receptive audience that's willing to help amplify each and every one of your efforts. So that's my quick overview about how important community is to the foundations of building your art projects. In the next episode, we're going to talk about the 3 C's: consistency, cohesion, and constraints, and how these 3 guideposts can really help you reach your destination faster.